Hi there. You're new here, right?
Yeah, I am. I just joined this class today.
Oh, welcome. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm Tom.
Where are you from, Tom?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Bangladesh. Are you enjoying your time here so far?
Yeah, it's been great so far. The people are really friendly and the weather's nice too.
That's good to hear. Are you studying English here?
Yes, I'm taking the English communication course. What about you?
Same. I'm in the same course. I think we'll have a lot of classes together.
Oh, that's great. It'll be nice to have someone I already know in class.
Absolutely. So, how long have you been in this city?
Just about a week. I'm still getting used to everything.
It takes a little time, but you'll get comfortable soon. Have you tried any local food yet?
Not yet. I've had some at the cafeteria, but I want to try something traditional. Any recommendations?
You should try biryani. It's one of our most famous dishes.
Biryani sounds interesting. What's in it?
It's a rice dish cooked with meat, spices, and sometimes eggs or potatoes. Very flavorful.
That sounds delicious. I'll definitely try it.
So, Tom, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies and playing basketball. What about you?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
Mostly pop and soft rock. How about you?
I'm into jazz and a bit of hip-hop.
Cool. Maybe you can share some of your favorite songs sometime.
Sure, I'd love that, and you can tell me about your favorite books too.
Deal. So are you staying nearby?
Yeah, I found a small apartment close to campus. What about you?
I live in the student hostel. It's convenient. And I've made a lot of friends there.
That sounds fun. Maybe you can show me around sometime.
Of course. I'd be happy to.
Thanks, Sarah. You've been really helpful and friendly.
You're welcome, Tom. I'm sure you like it here.
I already do, and it's nice to meet someone so kind on my first day.
AWWW, thanks. Let's grab lunch together after class.
Sounds great. Let's go.